How you doing, guys? Welcome back. I know I like this filter and I wanted to give it a try. It's kind of fun. But today we are going to be reviewing that Beauté Scarlet Dusk palette that I received in my January BoxyCharm monthly subscription.
Okay, I kind of like this other filter and I kind of help myself, but this is beautiful. Check out these colors. Nice. So we are going to be using the Aruba, the Aurora, and the Sangria. And I think I'm going to have to switch to the normal life because it's still not doing it. And it just
okay, back to real life. This is how the palette looks. It is gorgeous. I am going to downsize the light a little bit. But I am going to use Aruba, which is this color right here. Look how beautiful that is. I'm also going to be using Aurora, which is this one right here. And last but not least, I'm going to use this one up here, which is called Sangria, which is lovely. And those are the three colors I will be using, guys. So if you want to see how I put up this makeup look together, stay watching. Enjoyed the video. I hope you like what I did and how I put this makeup up together. If you like to see more reviews like this on eyeshadow palettes and any specific makeup, please comment below and let me know if you got any tricks and tips that a girl here can use to improve her makeup application. Go ahead and leave those comments below too, because she will totally appreciate it. Being that said, thank you for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Share with your friends and family if you like. If you haven't subscribed to the channel and you would like to be part of this family, do so by subscribing and hitting that bell notification should you will get notified. Should you, oh my God, I can't speak. So you can get notified every time I load a video. Being that said, I'll see you in my next one. Ciao.